Hmm. Today, I want to tell you something real. There was a real day, when I waited for someone to check on me.
I was not okay. But I kept smiling because I didn't want to bother anyone. That evening, I kept staring at my phone, hoping someone would text, someone would notice, someone would ask.
No one did. And that was the day I learned something important. Sometimes your life changes the moment you realize no one is coming to save you. You save yourself by choosing to get up, by choosing to keep going, by choosing you. And if you needed to hear this today, you're stronger than the moments that tried to break you.